only time you can actually
It's no
commence a new
ordinary
journey
industry
is
engagement
when
at
you
this
actually.
year's expo, which plays host to changemakers acknowledging how the global transaction banking industry now sees decentralized finance
And those
as a
countries like
disruptive
Brazil,
force.
Turkey, you can
The
see
Pace
their
Up agenda
countries.
here explores interesting use cases on DeFi and what it would take to catch up to the success of economies like South Africa.
We need to increase the smartphone penetration. Like I said earlier, we need regulatory support. The KYC, for instance, that we have now is still not robust enough.
Beyond the competitions, exhibitions from DeFi innovators throw more light on practical gaps and the need for transparency.
What you would see with blockchain technology is that it allows different participants on the network to be able to have full end-to-end visibility on a particular transaction that's been executed on the blockchain network, and that way you are able to have more payment volumes going through the network. You are able to have this payments process in a very cost-effective manner, and of course, the transparency, of course, it builds in. Will be able to provide final approvals for these transactions and final authorizations.
Interoperability, robust customer frameworks, and competition policy between banks and non-banks also recognizes building blocks necessary to achieve the bigger picture of seamless domestic, regional, and continental transactions.
It's not only enough to provide account opening and cash in, cash out services for end users and for those who are financially excluded. But as we talked about this today, it's crucial for collaboration in the market to happen, interoperability between all stakeholders.
So I do believe that in the future, aside blockchain, you also have things like open API that allows the banks be able to share information across borders. So I can be able to make payments from Nigeria to someone in Ghana using a framework that has been built across the backbone of the African system.
There is no doubt, really, that more and more use cases will continue to open up the success factor for Nigeria's strategic positioning in the financial services space. David Alabi, TVC News, Lagos.